What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install the RTR Rear Quarter Splitters for your 2024 Mustang GT or EcoBoost. Inside your box you'll find your RTR Rear Quarter Splitters and 2 push pins. Tools needed for this job are a clip removal tool, drill, and a 1/4 inch drill bit. Remove the 2 push pins retaining the rear bumper cover to the lower valance using a trim removal tool or screwdriver. Position the lip of the new quarter splitter over the edge of the rear bumper cover. Slide the splitter as far towards the rear as possible so that the lip overhangs the bumper. Ensure that the flat of the quarter splitter is tight to the rear of the lower wheel well opening. Reinstall the 2 push pins, ensuring these go through the quarter splitter as well as the lower bumper cover. Using the quarter splitter as a guide, drill a 1/4 inch hole for the final fastener location. Install the supplied push pin through the quarter splitter and rear bumper cover. Be sure all push pins are flush, and then repeat these steps on the opposite side of the vehicle to complete your installation. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you like this product, you're sure to love all the other offerings that we have available on rtrvehicles.com. Make sure to go ahead and click that link down in the description below or scan the QR code that came with your product. That'll lead you to rtrvehicles.com, where you can check out all the other stuff that we have available for S650, S550, S197, as well as Bronco, Bronco Sport, Ranger, F-150, Maverick, and Mach-E. And we're not only there to hook you up with stuff for your vehicle, we're there to hook you up for stuff for yourself. Go ahead and check out some of our merch available there on the website, and you know what? Might as well make your car look good while you're at it by picking up some of the RTR detail product. Thank you again for checking out this video, and as always, I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, getting you geared up and ready to rock. Whoa!